Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need our assistance to format and publish your blog post, we can do it perfectly for you. Just contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can create this kind of single product box with title, description, ratings and price. Okay, let's start. Right now I am on my website dashboard. I need to visit my plugin page because I have to install a plugin. I am clicking on add new plugin. After that search here affiliate X. This is the plugin affiliate X Amazon affiliate plugin. Firstly, we have to install and activate this plugin. Already I have installed and activated this plugin. So I am going to my all post section. After that, I am going to open this exist post. I want to add a sample single product box after this title. I am clicking on this plus add blog icon. After that, search here with single product. So this is the blog affiliate X single product. I am selecting this blog. By default, it's giving this design. And if you come to the right side, this blog feature, there has an option layout settings. Click on this right side arrow. First, by default, it's layout 1 selected. So if I click on this right arrow, I will get layout 2. It's like this. Layout 3, it will be like this. Which design you like, you may use. I will show you layout 1. Firstly, I need to add a image. So if I click on this icon, upload icon, it will take me to the media library. I can select any image from here, or if you have to upload new file, just click on upload file, then click on select file. As a sample, I am selecting this image already added. Now I will guide you how you can customize this single product box step by step. And if you learn how to customize this layout 1 box, you can use this system for rest of the layouts. For example, layout 2 or layout 3. That's not a big deal. System is same for every layout. Okay, number 1, if you want to change the title, just double click over the title. Whatever you want to write as a title, this is the title. After that, if you want to change the content text, same, just double click and write. If I come to the next, this is the button. Same, if you want to change the button text, just double click, then write your desired text. Now I want to make more customization. So click on anywhere of this box. After that, you have to click on this icon. After clicking this icon, it will select this block feature automatically. Already I explained the layout settings. I am going to the next option, that's the ribbon settings. Click on the ribbon settings. Right now there has no ribbon inside the box because it's by default disabled. I want to enable the ribbon, then you see there has a ribbon. And if you want to change the ribbon text, just double click over the ribbon and write your desired text. It's perfect. Next option is ribbon alignment. By default it's align left. If you wish, you can make it align right. Align left is perfect. I'm going to the next option, that's the general settings. After opening the general settings, first option is enable button. By default this button is enabled. If you want to disable, just disable this option and button will disappear. Come to the next option, there's the enable product image. By default it's enabled. If you want to disable, just disable it from here, then image will disable from this single product box table. Again I'm going to enable it. Next is image alignment. By default it's align left. If you wish, you can make it align right. And next come to the image width. By default it's showing the inherit. If you wish you can make it custom. If I make it custom, then there is an option image width. So by default it's 33%. If you wish you can make it 25%, that it will be like this. Again I am going to the inherit, and next come to the image source. Right now it's on upload image source, but if you wish you want to use external image URL, you can select this, and here you can paste your external image URL that will display here. Or if you use Amazon affiliate, or if you want to add product directly from the Amazon, then you can use this site stripe feature. Select this site stripe, and here you can paste the site stripe link from the Amazon, then your image will display here from the Amazon. Again I am going back to upload option. Next come to the border settings. It's talking about this border. Right now this border color is this one. If I change the color to this one, then color is going to change. And right now border is solid border. If you wish you can make it dash border, or you can use dot border, it will change. Solid border is a perfect, I think. Next is border width. By default they gave 1 pixel width top, right, bottom and left. I mean all four side 1 pixel, but if you need to change it, you can change by clicking inside the box. Next come to the border radius. Right now there has no border radius for this box. If you wish you can make 10 pixel border radius for everywhere, then it will change to the border radius 10 pixel. You see now there has a border radius everywhere 10 pixel. Next option is border shadow. Right now there has no border shadow. If I want to enable the border shadow, just click here and enable, and if you wish you can customize the shadow. It will display here as a border shadow. Come to the next option, there's the divider. Right now it's none, but if you wish you can use a divider. This is the divider, it's under the title. Even you can increase the divider pixel size like 2 pixel, 3 pixel, and you can change the divider color also. You can use this color or any other color as per your need. Come to the next option, that's the title settings. After opening the title settings, first option is enable title. By default it's already enabled. If you want to disable, just deselect it, it will disable. And title text is displaying here. That means you can add the text here or here. Where you feel comfortable, you can use that option. Next option is product heading tag. I mean this title, which heading tag you want to use. Heading 2, heading 3, 4, 5, 6, or paragraph tag, anyone you can use. By default it's heading 2. Next option is title alignment. By default title alignment is left. If you wish you can make it align center or align right. And come to the next. This is the subtitle settings. Right now there has no subtitle. If we enable this subtitle, then you see after the title subtitle is displaying. And if you want to change the text of subtitle, you can write it here or here, that's not a problem. And next is subtitle tag option. Right now it's heading 6, you can make it heading 3 or paragraph, as per your need you can change. And subtitle alignment is as like the title, align left, align center, align right, anyone you can use. Next option is rating settings. Right now there has no ratings inside the box. If I enable the rating option, you see star rating is displaying here. If you want to change the star rating number, just click like 4 star you want to give, click on 4, or 3 star, click on 3, it will display. And if you don't like the star rating, then you can use score box also. I mean this option, click on score box, then rating will be like this. And you can change the score from here by double click. For example 7, if you write it will be 7.5, or you can change it from here also, like 8.0, then it will be 8.0. Below the score, there has a text, our score. If you want to customize this text, just double click here and write your desired text or here. That's not a problem. Rating alignment, right now it's align right. If you wish, you can make it align left. It will be align left. If you want align right, just click on align right. Next, come to the price settings. Right now inside the box there has no price. If I enable the price from here, you see price is displaying. There has two type price. It's product marked price. Another one is product sale price. For example, product marked price is 100 USD and you want to sell it with a discount, that's 90 USD. So here it's displaying 90 USD is sale price and 100 USD is the base price. Next option is price alignment. By default it's align left. You can make it align center or align right, but align left is perfect. Next, come to the content settings. That means these content settings, and it's already enabled. If you want to disable the content, just disable it from here, then there will no content inside the box. Again, I'm going to enable it. After enabling, you see there has content type. First option is list type content and second option is paragraph type content. By default, they selected paragraph type content, but if you want, you can make it list type content. After selecting the list type content, there has two types of list. Unordered list, by default it's displaying unordered, or you can use ordered list, then here you will get 1, 2, 3 like that order. I think unordered list is more stylish. I am selecting unordered list and here has an icon. If you want to change the icon, you can select any icon from this box that will display here. And if you give a enter here, then another line will create, again enter, another line will create. Okay. If I come to the next option, that is content alignment. By default, it's align left. You can make it align center or right or left. Now come to the next option. There's the color settings. If you want to change the title color, subtitle color, content color, I mean any one from here, any color, if you want to change, just go one by one. For example, I want to change the title color. Just click beside the title color and select your desired title color and title color will change. So same for rest of the things, subtitle color, content color, icon color, price color, score box color, or the ribbon color. Everything you can change from here. Even if you wish, you can change the background color. By default, it's solid color. If you wish, you can make it gradient color. If I click on gradient, you see this color is going to gradient. If I click on solid, it's solid white color. And if you wish, you can make it red or any other color, but I think white is the perfect. Again, I am selecting the white color. Now come to the next option. There's the typography. That means all of the font settings are here. If you need to change the title typography, I mean title font family, font size, font weight, line height, I mean everything related to the font and text, you can change from here. If you want to change the font family, first option is the font family. You see, all of the first option is going to font family. Just click here and your font family you can change. For example, for the title, I want to change the font family to this one. You see, font family already changed. Come to the next option, that's the font size. If I click on this 24 pixel, from here you can change the font weight, font size, line height, letter spacing, and next option if I click, then you can select your font weight, medium, semi-bold, bold, whatever you like you can change. I think you can visit one by one title, subtitle, pricing, content, ribbon. which text you need to change or need to customize, you can go that option and you can change. Now come to the spacing option. If I open the spacing, you see there has an option for image padding. Right now there has no padding for this image. If you wish, you can add the image padding. You can add the margin for this full box, or if you wish, you can add the padding for the box. By default, they have 30 pixel padding for top and bottom and 25 pixel padding for right and left. As you need, you can customize, you can increase or decrease. And this is the final option. There's the advanced feature. If I click on the advanced, then there is an option for additional CSS classes. If I need to make more customization with own CSS, I can add custom CSS class here. Now I am going to save and click the view post, how this design looks like at the front end. This is the design and it looks like very amazing. I believe after watching this tutorial, you can easily make the single product box table and you can customize it very easily. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting and publishing, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.